What's going on, everybody? Daniel back once again, showing you the knives we have here at Serenity Knives in the showroom and online. We're with Benchmade once again, and here we have the Benchmade Casbah or Casbah. You basically got the 4400 and the 4400BK. So 4400-1 and then the 4400BK right here. Both are going to come with S30V on the blade. You're going to have a textured Grivory lined with the stainless liners in here. Surprisingly, guys, this is a very lightweight but super durable knife. If you're familiar with the Bug Out has a good amount of flex here with their Grivory. This one practically has none to little. Also, it's textured very aggressively, so it's a good grip in the hands. It fits perfectly in my hands, and you know how that works out with me, guys. I'm the average 3.5 right there from inside palm. So complete in the hand, that fits 100% real good. It feels super durable as well. When you grab this knife, you almost want to squeeze it. It feels that good. The pocket clip is a little bit intrusive, but it almost adds to the grip as well. Like if you're going to torque on this, that thing is not coming out of your hand. I really love this nice drop point they've got there. Beautiful sharpening or blade choil. I'm a big fan of those. And if you're not familiar with Benchmade's automatics, it is a kicker. So make sure you're holding on to that. As you see, you've got the button release there. You've also got the safety lock so it doesn't deploy in your pocket. Really snappy action, guys. You're not going to mistake deploying this knife. When you want it to go, it will go. Locks on both of them. Like I said, this is the blue Grivory S30V blade, which has been Benchmade's kind of staple for a little bit of time now. Really good texture as well as jimping on both under the index finger and right where your palm kind of wraps around into that bottom spot. I really like this, guys. To say it grips in your hand is an understatement. You really have to put this thing in your hands. I'm not so happy with a lot of knives, and this is one of those ones where it's like, it was cool. But putting it in my hand, if I really want to get to town on a knife, this is going to be the guy I would pick. Great lanyard hole right there in case you want to add an extension or customize this guy. Reversible pocket clip for tip up only, so you can tip up here or you can tip up there. So left and right ambidexterity. Overall, guys, our blade length is going to be about 3.4 inches, so right at 3 and right around 3.5. Handle, which is what I like to do right under where the index goes, you're looking at just over 3.5, so probably 3 3/4. Once again, real close to that 1-to-1 ratio where you're just a little longer on the handle, and I don't mind that. It fits a lot more people's hands. I really like it. It looks really good. It's snappy. And once again, everybody, pricing for all these guys are going to be on SerenityKnives.com. Check us out. If you have any questions, let us know. This is the Benchmade Casbah 4400 and 4400BK. Make sure you're hitting the like and subscribe button, and we will see you